Hey guys, I have here my GoPro action cam. This is here the GoPro Session that I've been using for a couple of years now actually. And I noticed something a little bit concerning a couple of months ago. So when I start it up, then after a while it actually gets pretty warm. And after a while it actually gets really hot. So I want to show you this in this video here, see what happens. So I'm going to start the recording here in 4K with 30 frames per second for the GoPro Session. That's the maximum it can do. And I also have here my Flir camera that I can measure the temperature with. And you see here immediately when it starts to record this ring around the lens, so the outside ring here in the front, that's the one that seems to be here the heatsink. So that's the one that gets hot. And see this immediately just within a couple of seconds. The ambient temperatures are, I think, here in my basement around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And here within a couple of seconds we're already at 72. So that's okay for me, so that's no problem at all. You don't really notice it. But now let's fast forward a little bit, and we're going to go a little bit quicker now. So I'm going to fast forward by 5 minutes. We're going to see how far the temperature rises here. So we are already 5 minutes into the recording, and the temperature now is here at 92 degrees. I'm going to show you this here, 5 minutes, 50 seconds. So at this point, this is still really not bad at all. So this is just hand warm and no problem at all. So now let's go 15 minutes forward to the 21-minute timestamp. Let's take a look at what we have now. So at this point, we already have 112 degrees here. 21 minutes. Now about 2 minutes after this last check here at 21 minutes, the camera actually stopped recording, and there were a couple of error messages and the camera tried to revive the footage that it recorded. So I restarted the camera, and now we are again 16 minutes into the new recording. I also attached here the charging cable so that we're not running out of battery. So now we are just about 28 minutes or 38 minutes into the total recording time. And if we check the temperature here, 123 degrees on the bottom. So this is well over a first degree burn. And I don't know if a consumer product like this should go up this high with the temperature. Actually, when I first measured the temperature of the camera without the video recording, I measured the first time 128 degrees. So that's really getting close to a second degree burn. And yeah, I don't know what to do with this camera now. Should I keep using it, or should I just toss it and recycle it? Especially considering the battery. I don't know if that's going to last with these ambient temperatures, or is that going to be dangerous? Okay, yeah. So what do you think? Is this camera still usable? Please leave a message below what you think, and don't forget to check out my other videos.